Did you update your iPhone to iOS 16? In today's video, I'm going to share a few iOS 16 tips and tricks with you guys. But before I get started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So starting off, you probably already know that iOS 16 allows you to remove the background of photos. But did you know that you can remove the background of multiple photos at the same time? And it's pretty easy. The only thing that you need to do is select all of the photos that you want to remove the background, press and hold, and press on copy. Then make sure you go to the Files app, and right here I've already created a folder, so make sure to create a folder. Mine is called Remove Background. Open it, press and hold, and tap on Paste. As you can see, the photos are now here, and we need to select them. So tap on this icon, tap on Select, select all of the photos, and right now tap on this icon on the bottom right. Make sure you press on Remove Background, and you will see the magic happening. There you have it. The photos are now without a background. For some reason, my pictures are rotating, but that's not a problem because if you need to rotate your photos, simply press and hold on the image. Make sure you tap on Quick Actions and then rotate right or left, depending on what you need. And that's it. Now, if you're currently using a focus mode and you want a fast way to change your focus mode or to simply turn it off, you can do this right here on the lock screen. The only thing that you need to do is press and hold on the focus mode, and then you can easily switch or turn it off. Previously, you could only tap on the focus mode, but right now you need to press and hold. And if by any chance you need to clear up storage on your iPhone, there is a quick and easy way for you to do this. Make sure you go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and right here you will see this full list of all of the applications that you currently have on your iPhone, and on the right it tells you exactly the amount of storage that the particular app is using. So if by any chance there is an application here that is using a lot of space and you can simply delete it because you don't use it at the moment, you don't even need to click here to open this page and press on delete. You can simply swipe left and tap on Delete App. Something really cool is that you can do the same thing in the Messages app, but here I highly recommend you open this because it tells you if the amount of space that you're using with photos and other type of media. Then you can choose exactly what you want to delete to free up space. Now, if you know me, you probably already know that I love to check the weather. And now there is an option for you to check the weather by the minute instead of by the hour. And the only thing that you need to do is tap on the date right here or tap on the hourly forecast that is showing up right here. So tap on it, and as you can see, you have the option to check the weather by the minute. And something really nice is that it's not limited to temperature. If you tap on this icon right here, you will see that it also gives you the UV index, the wind, rainfall, feels like, humidity, visibility, or pressure. And guys, I simply love this so much. It's really cool. Now, this tip is for the iPhone 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max users out there because there is an option for you to hide the activity of the dynamic island. So let me quickly open Spotify and let's play this. As you can see, it's showing what's playing and the sound waves. If by any chance I want to hide this, I simply need to swipe right. If I swipe left, it comes back. If I swipe, actually, if you can swipe either right or left and it will hide or come back. And also, there is another setting that I highly recommend you enable that gives you the ability to swipe up to unlock your iPhone without the need to tap on it if your display is off or if you're using the always on display feature. So let me pick up my phone to show you. If I swipe up, it will automatically unlock my iPhone and I don't need to tap on the display before swiping up. So it's a lot better. And sometimes we're in a hurry and this really makes our lives easier. So to enable this, make sure you go to Settings, tap on Accessibility, then tap on Touch, and right here, make sure to enable tap or swipe to wake. And last but not least, still right here on Accessibility, make sure you tap on Audio and Visual and enable power on and off sounds if you want to play a sound when iPhone is powered on or off. So let me enable this, and now I'm going to turn my iPhone off to show you exactly how it sounds. And now let's turn it on. Pretty cool, right? So these were a few iOS 16 tips and tricks that you must try on your iPhone. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments and let me know what was your favorite trick, because I would love to know. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.